In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to enable two-step verification in Wix, an essential security feature that will further fortify the protection of your account. We will begin by accessing your account settings. In order to accomplish this, you must first enter your Wix account. Once you're successfully logged in, proceed by directing yourself to the account settings page. This is a crucial step, as it leads you directly to the security settings we will be modifying. Having accessed the account settings, bring your attention towards the lower sections of the page as you scroll downwards. Keep scrolling until you spot the two-step verification section. This is where we will implement the changes necessary to enable the two-step verification on your Wix account. Next, you'll see the Enable button next to several verification methods. Different methods provide different ways for Wix to verify your identity during login, enhancing the security of your account. It's time to choose the method that suits you best. First on our list is the Wix app method. If this is your preferred choice, begin by selecting your device, after which you will be guided with certain instructions. These instructions will walk you through the process of approving a login request that Wix will send to your chosen device. Alternatively, you could opt for SMS verification. To activate this method, you need to provide your phone number and click on Send Code. This will prompt Wix to send a 6-digit code to your phone number. Once you receive it, you will be required to enter this code on the Wix website to confirm the setup. The Authenticator app method is also an excellent option if you have an authenticator app like Authy or Google Authenticator installed on your device. Selecting this method will bring up a QR code on your screen, which you need to scan using your Authenticator app. You will then receive a generated code in the app, which you need to enter on the Wix website. Another option for two-step verification on Wix is using your email. By choosing this method, you will receive a verification code directly in your inbox. You need to input this code on the Wix website to complete the email verification. Once you've selected and set up your preferred verification method, follow any residual prompts on the screen to finish up your setup. Make sure to confirm your verification method to lock down your choice. This often includes selecting a backup method, which acts as a safety net in case you're unable to use your preferred verification method. By following these detailed steps, you will have now successfully employed a two-step verification in your Wix account, providing a robust protective layer against unauthorized access.